Hi guys, my name's Aiden and we're gonna see the flarp putty. So let's start opening it. You wonder what this is? It's a Grumpy Cat book. And if you ever want this, I think you have to search books and go to Grumpy Cat books, and it's all comics. But it has a poster in it. Let me get the poster. I ripped the poster out. This is what the poster looks like. Okay? And it's really funny because it says something funny. He thinks that does not look like him because it doesn't. But let's get on with the video. Let me... Can you just, no. Okay, I'm back with the putty. Now let's get started. We got 4 containers of putty. We got green, orange, and yellow, and pinkish red. Which one do you want me to start with? What, guys? Orange! Okay, we're gonna start with orange. We're gonna start with orange and see what we can find in the orange putty. If it looks like your skin, it's just probably because the camera can't see well, but I found a coin. As lucky as luck. It's at the heads. Let me put the slime in the container. It's called flarp slime because it makes farting noises. Which one next? Red! Okay, red's next. Let's see what is in the lucky red one. Oh, just a normal panty. Let me put it back in the container. Good. Next one, green. Okay, let's do green. Don't care. Ugh, this green is hard to open. Just a second, guys. Just a second. I'm back. I had a hard time opening the container. I'm just getting rid of yellow for last. Over here. Let's see. Oh, look. It's lucky. Guys, after we find everything in the container, we can play with everything. So, let me keep them open. Well, I opened all 3 of them. Now, yellow. Yellow's last, okay, guys? Good. It's heads up. Heads up, dude. But it's little. Now, guys, let's start playing with them. Ugh, it's so gooey. Which one do you think is the best? Orange! Cool. I think orange is the best, too. Ugh. No. There's the putty. Oh, guys. Guys, can you see the putty? Ah, cheetah butt. Ah! Guys, I'm having a lot of time, but ugh, the putty. Oh, gross. That looks like brain because it looks pink on the camera, right, guys? But it's actually reddish pink. The top looks pink, right? But it's red. And let's see the orange. Orange looks like your skin. Orange looks like your skin. Orange looks like your skin. But I have to put all of them back. So I want to watch them back. Oh. Ugh! I can't find the containers. Last one. The tank. And the red top. I'm putting them back in the container. So. Now let me show you what I got. I got this one. I got the same one. And I got this one. And I got this one. That's what I get. That's what I got. Bye, guys.